Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of being here, you're highly welcome. My name is Jessica Rema, and to my old subscribers I want to say very big thank you. Thank you for your love and support. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys on how to prepare simple potato breakfast recipe. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I've already peeled these potatoes, washed, and now I will just chop it into smaller sizes and set it aside. In preparing this recipe, it's very good to chop the potatoes into tiny sizes, just like I'm doing it. The full list of the ingredients are stated in the description box below. I'll chop this, set it aside while I slice other vegetables. Stay tuned as we'll be taking it step by step. Now it's time to slice the bell peppers. In this recipe, I'll be making use of 3 types of bell peppers. I mean 3 colors of bell peppers. The red, the green and the yellow. But nevertheless, you can use any bell pepper of your choice. But in making this recipe, I prefer using the 3 colors because it brings out the appetizing look of this recipe. You can as well add any other veggies of your choice, like green peas and so on. It's just a thing of choice. And here I've got 2 sausages. This sausage is made from beef. In my previous video, I used sausage made from pork meat, and one of my subscribers complained she don't like sausage made from pork meat. But this is just a matter of choice. You can use any sausage of your choice and it works perfect well with this recipe. Now I will just set this aside and chop my onion. So I'll be using a medium size of red onion. Remember, you can use any onion of your choice. If you have yellow onion, it's also perfect for this recipe. Just make use of what you have and do your best in your kitchen. Now I'm done chopping the onions and all the ingredients are ready. Here I've got garlic and ginger paste, chili pepper, thyme, curry powder, salt, seasoning cube and vegetable oil. And here is the potato. As you can see, this is just the perfect size to cut the potato if you're preparing this recipe. And here are the bell peppers, the yellow, red and green. This is optional. You can choose not to use the 3 colors, but this gives it the appetizing look. Now into a pan, I will pour the potatoes, and into it I'll add some salt. Also, I'll add some water, just the same level with the potato. I'll cover this and let this boil. So once the potato boils, just at the first boil, I'll pour it into a sieve and set it aside so that the water will strain while we continue. So now to start the preparation, into a pot I've added oil. To the oil I will add the chopped sausage. I will fry this for about 1 minute. Once it is a little bit brown, I will scoop it out. At this point, it is done and I'll be scoping it out. I'll scope this out and set it aside. So now into the same oil, I will pour the potatoes. Remember, we did not boil this potato, we only pre-cooked it. So I'll fry this for like 1 minute and I'll add the rest of the ingredients. So once I've fried the potato, at this point I'll be adding the chopped onion. I'll give this a stir. I'll fry this a bit. Once the onion is softened, I'll now add ginger and garlic paste. This is the best spicy for this recipe. The ginger and garlic paste bring out the taste and aroma of this potato recipe. So now I will add salt, chili pepper, and thyme. I'll give this a stir so that the ingredients, everything will combine together, and I will add curry powder and seasoning. So I'll give this a proper stir. Once everything in there is properly combined, I will add the veggies. So here goes in the veggies, the bell peppers. So once I add the bell peppers, I will not be wasting much time so that the bell peppers will not overcook, because I want it to be fresh. So now once I give it a stir and it's well combined with the other ingredients, now I will check the texture of the potato. But at this point the potato should be soft. Yes, so the potato is good to go. So at this point everything is ready. I've tested the salt and everything. Finally I will add the chopped sausage, and this recipe is good to go. This is just simple and amazing. Guys, don't forget to give this a try, and definitely not just your children, you yourself, you will like it. And here comes the amazing potato, sausage and veggies breakfast recipe. I would love to know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. And this is how it goes. This is best eaten with a spoon, not fork. Yeah, eat this with spoon and you will be able to scoop in everything at a time. This is so delicious. Give this a try in your kitchen and you will not regret it. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching till the end. Please don't forget to like this video and share with family and friends. If you are new here and did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click on that red button that says subscribe and the golden bell will pop out beside it. Click on that golden bell and select all so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much and remain blessed. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.